Guys, this is Beyblade Genius 101 and
Chaos Lord 1795.
what's that?
1795.
Chaos Lord 1795. Hey, Greg. We are unboxing a Hades Kerbecs BD 145DS Hasbro stamina type. Show them the back. We already started to open it right there. So yeah, to the text. So go ahead. Then you're opening it. You probably should have opened it from the back. Yeah, Trish can. Yeah, by the way, we're still at school. Here, Austin, hold the camera. I'll get this part.
I'm at the top of all leaderboards.
I got it. I found it. It's alright. Still in condition. Here, hold the baseball. Energy ring. Fusion wheel.
What the hell? Is that like a create your own?
They come like this.
Really?
Yeah, 5 pieces.
I remember getting one piece.
From what?
I don't know. I just remember playing with Beyblades that just came in one piece.
Oh, that is probably the original.
Yeah.
And last but not least, the DX tip. So here, Austin, I'll take those real quick. Hold the box.
I tried to put it together with you.
Like I remember my best one had to have been.
Dude, no. Oh man, huge bug. Where's the sample? Oh God, dang it.
That's partially why I don't start fake. Oh, found it. Don't move. Which one? Yeah, I don't know.
Got it. I got it. Yeah, the nice looking bug. So nice. Alright, so just I got it. And there you have it. Hades Kerbecs BD 145DS unboxing. Yeah, we can throw that part away, but I'm keeping the rest. Oh, mine's that. Give or take. What's up? Alright, so that is it. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe.